SiteGround Enterprise Hosting Review, Usage Experience. Links to SiteGround and its enterprise hosting plans are in the description. Let's dive into SiteGround's enterprise hosting and explore why it stands out in the market for businesses needing top-tier performance, security, and support. SiteGround is known for its high-performance hosting, and their enterprise solutions are tailored for large-scale businesses that demand exceptional reliability, scalability, and security. One of the standout features of SiteGround's enterprise hosting is its customizability. Unlike standard shared or even cloud hosting, SiteGround offers fully scalable infrastructure that adapts to the growing needs of your business. You can customize the server configuration to match your specific requirements, from enhanced CPU power to greater storage and bandwidth. This flexibility is a major benefit for enterprise-level businesses that experience fluctuating traffic and need to stay ahead of performance demands. Performance is another area where SiteGround excels. With SSD storage, advanced caching, and the use of Google Cloud's infrastructure, your website will experience lightning-fast load times. The combination of these technologies ensures optimal speed even during high traffic spikes. The service also includes a robust content delivery network, CDN, enhancing global performance by delivering content quickly to users worldwide. Security is built into SiteGround's enterprise plan with advanced monitoring, automated backups, custom firewalls, and proactive malware protection. They also offer SSL certificates and PCI compliance for handling sensitive customer data, making them an excellent choice for online stores and other businesses that require a high level of security. SiteGround's support team, available 24/7 via phone, live chat, and email, is a critical asset for enterprise customers. Their experts are ready to troubleshoot issues and provide tailored solutions to meet your business needs. Pricing for SiteGround's enterprise hosting is premium, reflecting the high level of service and features provided. They offer a custom quote based on your business requirements, ensuring that you get a plan that fits your unique needs. In conclusion, SiteGround Enterprise Hosting provides scalable, high-performance, and secure solutions for large businesses. If you need reliable enterprise hosting, check the description for more details and pricing.